In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a WordPress website on Nexcess hosting. If you're looking to get your website up and running smoothly, Nexcess offers reliable and robust managed WordPress hosting. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to nexcess.net. This is the starting point for setting up your hosting service. Once you're on the Nexcess homepage, you'll want to navigate to their plans section. Look for Managed WordPress Hosting in the drop-down menu. Click on it because this type of hosting is specifically optimized for WordPress installations, meaning you'll get the best performance and support for your website. After you've explored the Managed WordPress Hosting page, you need to choose a plan that suits your needs. Based on your expected website traffic and resources, select a plan by clicking Buy Now. This will guide you through the process of setting up an account and completing the payment. Make sure to accurately fill in all the required information, and once done, proceed to checkout. Following a successful purchase, you'll have access to the Nexcess client portal. From here, you can manage everything related to your site. Among the first steps is clicking Create New Site. It's important to choose WordPress from the available options, aligning your setup with the WordPress platform. Once this is done, you'll be prompted to enter your site's name and domain. Choose a unique and memorable name as you'll type it whenever accessing your WordPress dashboard. After typing these details, click Create Site to move forward. Now give it a few minutes. Nexcess will automatically install WordPress for you. You'll see the progress, and soon enough you'll receive a notification that the setup is complete. Once it's finalized, click on Site Dashboard. Here, you'll find essential details for your website. Make sure to copy the WordPress admin URL, username, and password. These details are crucial for logging into your site later on. Open a new tab and type in your domain followed by WP admin. Log in with the admin credentials you've copied and you'll arrive at the WordPress admin dashboard. With your WordPress up and running, it's time to start customizing it. You can install themes, add plugins, and import any content you might have. Personalizing your WordPress site is the fun part, where you can make it truly your own. Next, let's secure your website. Enable free SSL to ensure your visitors see that coveted green padlock icon in their browsers. Go to SSL and enable Let's Encrypt in your Nexcess dashboard. Lastly, it's time to point your domain to Nexcess. This involves updating your DNS-A record with your Nexcess IP address. Remember, DNS changes may take some time to propagate, sometimes ranging from 1 to 24 hours. Be patient, and soon your website will be live for the world to see. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a WordPress site with Nexcess.